Давай.
Что?
Давай, рассказывай. Я пошла в прошедшем времени.
You
I went
from
from
Switzerland
Switzerland.
оттуда как будет?
Куда? From Switzerland куда?
To
Norway. А теперь скажи как? На самолете как будет? By plane. Is it correct? Давай быстрее, быстрее, быстрее.
or you can say I flew.
She doesn't know this verb yet, okay? Давай. Я пошла из Норвегии куда? I went громче.
I went from Norway to Russia.
To Russia.
I went from Russia to
Там нету ше, там с, Sweden.
by Atlantic by ship.
Okay, very good.
From Sweden
Let her think.
Давай.
to Denmark.
А что? Пошла-то не сказала. I went from.
To Denmark.
Окей. Давай, теперь из Дании в Германию.
I went from Denmark to
From Denmark,
to Germany.
Germany.
I went from Germany to
Czech
Republic.
Okay.
I went from Czech Republic to Austria.
Austria. Well done. Very good.
Congratulations.
Okay. Thanks.